Good morning, everybody. Just left our Hallback Ridge shelter and hoping I get signal up here somewhere and call Nature's Inn Hostel. But yeah, hope you all have a good day, and I'll get back with y'all here in just a little bit. Alright, made it to Sam's Gap. Well, I have no signal, and I don't have enough food to get to Irwin, so guess I'm gonna have to do a 2-mile road walk up to the Nature's Inn. So I'll get with y'all once I get there. Man, I was hoping I'd get a hitch, but this road is sketchy as heck, but I ain't seen a single car yet. Which I'm kind of sad about, because I'd like to have a hitch too, because this road's hard on my feet. I'm kind of glad there is no cars coming, because there's a lot of sharp turns, and you know how people drive. It probably ain't recommended to walk this road, but I ain't got no choice. I was going to be out of food tomorrow. But ooh, this road is hot. But the description said 2 miles. I honestly think it's going to be a little bit more than 2 miles. Sitting down in somebody's driveway, but I'm really close now. I'm guessing probably about 0.5. And I see the sign. 2 miles or whatever it is in an hour and 15 minutes. My feet are feeling it. I guess it's 600 foot on the left down here. What's up, everybody? So, yeah, this is a pretty awesome place. There's another bunk room over there. But yeah, I'll go around and show y'all. But there's a bunch of cabins. Bathhouse is up there, and that's the hiker lounge. Y'all waiting until y'all see them too. Got a covered area up there for tents and hammocks. They have private rooms, king and queen, in there. This is the bathhouse. But right here is the laundry. And it comes with your stay. Washer, dryer. Men's down there, women's down there, and wait till y'all see this. Sink and everything, toilets, showers. It's like the most awesome, cleanest bathhouse I've seen on trail yet. And this is the hiker lounge. Y'all check this place out. These couches are so comfortable. TV. Their resupply is kind of nah right now. Like, everything's more or less empty. My resupply was just like mac and cheese, Pop-Tarts, chips, and Spam. It's gonna be a rough couple days. Then in here, have pizzas and all kinds of stuff. And prices ain't bad either. Like, it ain't really overpriced or anything. got sodas. Of course, they didn't have my Mountain Dew, but that don't really matter because yeah, dude was going to the store like 7 miles down the road. Asked if I wanted to go. So yeah, he gave me a ride down to the store. I got my cigarettes and of course my Mountain Dew. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it for today. Left a Hogback Ridge shelter and got the Sam's Gut. Did that at 2.3 down to the road. And then I had to do that, that I found out it was 2.6 miles from Sam's Gut to here on that road. That's why my feet was not having it. But I got here around 1 o'clock. They was gone somewhere that didn't have signal. So I technically didn't get into the hostel until almost 5. But I was sitting up there in that covered area I showed y'all, and there was power outlets up there, so I went ahead and charged everything. But the only bad thing about here is there's no Wi-Fi. But if you have Verizon or AT&T, you'll have full signal here because there's a tower literally right across the street. But I have Boost/Sprint, so it don't do me no good. I have absolutely nothing here. But yeah, anyways, I hope you all had a great day and have an even better night. I'll talk to y'all in the morning when we're growing up big balls.